Go to the Layer menu and select New Pattern Layer. Set the value to 200 by 200 and click OK. Press G to get the gradient tool and apply using linear or radial. Then press M to go through the selections. Now I'm going to use an elliptical selection. Go to the control bar and set the feather to 36. Then apply in the pattern layer. Just drag and release. Press G again for the gradient tool and apply. Hold down the command Shift and I and invert the selection and apply again. Press Command D to delete the selection. Press V on the keyboard for the Move tool and then scale and rotate the pattern selection. You can also shear it. Hold down the Alter Option key to duplicate the layer and then rotate and shear that design as well. Then go to the Layers panel and go to the blending modes and go for Difference. And then you've got a wonderful abstract gradient design very quickly in Affinity Photo. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.